So we got this situation. The coefficient of this in the expansion of this. Okay, so you know that it is multinomial, means this is so many things together, no? So how we will respond? You know that we will be writing 15c, not 15c. We have to break that one. So what we will write? We will write 25 factorial upon a factorial, b factorial, c factorial, then 3x power a minus 4y power b and 8z power c. Okay, now what do we need as the power of x? We want power of x to take 19, and you know that x is involved over here only, so it is independent. So what we should do? We should assume that a is nothing but 19. Now we want y to take power 2, and y is involved here only, so we will take b as 2. Now for this case we want z to take 4, and z is involved over here only, so it is independent from everything, so c will become 4. And you know that a plus b plus c has to be 25. If you'll observe this, you can figure out it is 25, so this combination is 100% correct. So can I write required number equals 25 factorial by a is 19 factorial, 2 factorial, 4 factorial. Now 3 power a. So 3 power a is what? 19. Then minus 4 power 2. Okay, so minus 4 power, so it's an even number. So, and you know that power is even and base is negative, so it will become positive. So we can write 4 power 2, and then 8 power 4, 8 power 4, and then you can write your variable thing, that is x power 19, y power 2, and z power 4. Okay, so the required result is this thing. We are interested in finding coefficient, no? So this is the required thing. I hope the idea is clear and you got the approach how to handle similar situations. Okay.